What's up, everybody? So I'm in the car. I'm actually on my way to go test today, so we're gonna see how the nitrous system does and see what the car does on like a no prep surface up at one of the racetracks here that they do street races on. So it's just me. I really want going up, but it's gonna be good. I just gotta adjust the timing on it. Once I get there for the nitrous, I'm gonna do an NA pass and then do one for the nitrous. So let's see how this goes, and I'll see you guys at the racetrack. Finally made it. About an hour and a half, 45-minute drive, going 60 mile an hour on the highway. We finally made it. I think right down there is the road or the course. So let's go ahead and get into this. All right, guys, so we're here. The return lane is right down here, and then you start like way up that way. I'm on the back lot because I didn't want to park in the front because the front lot was like nothing but like gravel and stuff. So if anything happened, I don't want to have to worry about nothing. But I'm gonna go up, make it past just NA and see how everything goes. There's no tree, or there's a tree, but there's no like scoring or anything like that. So I don't know how fast I'll be going, but we'll get after this and see how it goes. All right. So I got the nitrous hooked up. Let's see if it'll purge. Really purging. Alright, so that's purging. Let's go up. Let's do 3,000 and just whack it. Alright, it works. It's only 100 shots, so let's see how it goes. Well, it looks like we're not gonna be testing because one, this leaked, so I tightened that up. But then right back there, where you see that little black part right there, and by threads, it's leaking out of that. So I'm gonna have to put Teflon tape on it. I don't have any, so I'm not gonna be able to test today. So we'll just put the timing back up where it was and just go home and fix it. That's what usually happens all the time. And then I gotta fix up here because whenever I do the blow off, it just blows that straight through. So I'm gonna have to fix that as well. But yep, that's it. Done for today. Well, it's time to go home. Can't win them all. I kind of dilly-dallied a little bit. I should have went faster, but I guess if I went faster, it would never mattered. And I don't want to waste the fuel driving back. Just making normal hits because I know how fast it goes and I know how it's going to respond. But and I guess I could have enjoyed myself a little more. But you know what? That's the part of racing, and we'll just move on to the next one. It's only 25 bucks. Go up here. I'm going to go put some air in the tires and then drive back. All right, hope you guys liked the video. More of the racing from over there, but